Hi there, my name is Sarah Rafuse and welcome to MobilizeCanada. Today we're going to go out and take a look at what it means to be eating in a healthy way. There's lots of different reports out there, and we came across someone who's a functional foods expert who's actually conducting research that really makes sense. Join us.
I think there's just too much noise around it so that the actual science is not getting through. Okay? A lot of it is, oh, I've heard from such and such, they heard from such and such that this is good. Our organization is one of the very few in Canada that is actually doing human clinical trials, examining the effects of functional foods, trying to show that they're safe, that they actually are working, and to establish what dose that you require.
Oh, interesting.
Okay? Because that is one of the things that is often missing in the definition of functional food, is that you can have something that is functional, but you don't know how much you actually have to eat to get the benefits. Well, when you're younger, you generally don't need as much help as when you're older to keep healthy. One of the things that I would say is, regardless of what age, you should be careful about what you're eating to make sure it is as good for you as possible. But what our group is really researching are those chronic diseases that affect more the aged population than the ones that are not. You're talking about heart disease, talking about type 2 diabetes, obesity, and all of the conditions that are associated with those. Well, the first thing I would say is moderation.
Yes.
Okay? I think that's the best message to get across to begin with.
Okay.
Moderate your fats, moderate your carbohydrates, so you don't get an excess of calories or one of those items over and up. Because if you've got too many calories coming in relative to what's going out, you're going to start getting obese. Obesity leads to kidney problems, it leads to heart problems. You know, all of the things that you associate as bad with aging is accelerated by obesity. And that's one of the issues with some of the ways that we eat. We accelerate the conditions that are associated with the age.